my unboxing of EnVain by Ashanti, a black owned skincare line that you must have in your skincare routine.
They say I bang, they never play with me. Royal from the crown to my fucking feet. They say talk that talk, walk but please avoid the streets. Lock the jaw, lock the door.
Hi baddies, welcome back to my channel. It's ℎ𝕬𝕬𝕐 here and I am back with another video. Before we move on, make sure you follow me on Instagram at _ℎ𝕬𝕬𝕐 and make sure you hit that subscribe button to become another baddie in the room, period. Now that is out of the way. Hey girl, hey. So today, as you can tell by the title, is black owned skincare that you need in your skincare routine. Yes, today we are unboxing some key essentials that you need in your skincare and self-love beauty routine, period. I am an e.l.f. doll, honey. And she sent me some beautiful products. I actually got like 3 boxes from her since like Christmas. Every month we get a new box, but the post office didn't want me to be great. They want me to have good skin for the New Year's or something. I don't know, they was hating real bad. But nevertheless, I finally received my packages and I am going to open everything in front of you guys. So let's get started. So I told y'all that I have been waiting since Christmas, since December, to get my products, and I'm super excited that they came. So this is the first package ever that she sent to me, and also this is her first month in business. This packaging in December was her first month of business, so I'm also going to show you guys the progress since then, period. But this was our Christmas package. Super excited. I love that she had Merry Christmas on there. Super decorative, super cute. Love that for Ashanti. Hey girl. But I'm gonna go ahead and open my package because girl, I've been waiting for months for it. The fuck? So, and this is what it looks like on the inside. I'm super excited. I see goodies. I see goodies. I see goodies. Okay. So let me, ooh. Okay. I'm excited. First off, we have a beautiful card from Miss CEO herself, EnVain by Ashanti. EnVain by Ashanti would like to thank you for your purchase. It definitely made our day and I hope this package brightens yours. Tag us in your selfies. We love featuring our F dolls. And of course it has her handles on there, and again I will have all of her information in the description box below, period. So the first thing that I seen was this beauty. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Hold on, let me get it to focus, y'all. But this is so pretty. OMG, I stand. I believe this is the Rose Hydrating Lip Oil. It is so beautiful. Like, first of all, I love that consistency. This already lets me know it's not hella sticky and it's not hella like thick. Like, don't you hate thick lip oils? I hate thick lip oils. Like, what's the purpose? What is the purpose? But it is super cute. It is super just gorgeous. Look at those rose petals. Look at those rose petals. Let's talk about the packaging. First of all, the packaging is super pretty. Y'all know pink rose gold is like my favorite color, and I'm just mesmerized by the packaging. First of all, because it's so cute, it's dainty, it's prissy, and it just looks high maintenance AF, period. So I'm going to make sure I have all of the correct items in the description box. But I do believe that this is the Rose Hydrating Lip Oil. So yes, this is the final look at the product. Yes, ma'am. Come through, EnVain. The next products we have is this cute little baggie. And it looks like some body butter. Okay. It looks like some body butter. Let's see. Yes, it is some body butter. This is what she calls her whipped body butter. It's body butter, baby. Body butter. Okay, I'm just gonna open it up. This one smells sweet. It's giving me sweet, but it's giving me like a hint of like sexy, like popping out just a little bit in the back. I like that. And this is what it looks like in the jar. Beautiful, beautiful whipped body butter. Beautiful whipped body butter. It is, I think this is blue and like a peachy color and like maybe a purple. Super cute. First of all, I love this jar. This is a glass jar. Not cheap, baby. We don't do cheap. We don't do cheap. Crack is cheap. And we don't do that. We don't do any of that, okay? Period. But this body butter is super, super cute. I'm super excited to use this. First of all, because it smells so good and it's so pretty, and Ashanti made it. Like, duh. What else do you need? Nothing. Oh, okay. So that is the next item that I got out of my Christmas package. Then Ashanti got us some cute little scrunchies and a cute little keychain. I needed this keychain because my keychain was looking bland AF and my keychain is blue. So Ashanti, you was up to something. You knew something. You knew something. And she gave me these pretty scrunchies. I love, 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 love these scrunchies. Go ahead and drop that in my vanity drawer. So the next item that I have is this lip mask. First of all, look at that cute ass lip mask. Who doing that? Who doing that? And if they doing that, I ain't seen it. I ain't seen it, baby. I ain't seen it. I ain't seen it. I ain't seen it, okay? I really love this. This is so cute. I cannot wait to do my skincare routine just to put this on my lips. Like, this is cute AF. And it doesn't expire until December 8th, 2022. Period. She even got the expo date on there for you. Quit playing. Quit playing. Quit playing. But this lip mask is super cute. And then lastly for our Christmas, well, this isn't lastly actually. Next, she got us some cute little stickers. No Bad Vibes, Explore. This beautiful, beautiful pink Saturn or pink planet is really cute. So she gave us a little stickers in there for all of my, you know, glam beauties, my cute beauties who like stuff like that. And lastly, we got some more lip products from our Christmas packaging. So we have this beautiful, beautiful gloss, this kind of mauve lip color. I know that's gonna be pretty. Then we have this cute butterfly clear lip gloss. This is beautiful. I watch Ashanti mix up all of her stuff on her Instagram, and I know this is going to feel so good on my lips. I know it is. That is going to feel delicious on the lips. And then we have another lip color here. This looks like a gloss, a colored gloss. Again, it's like a nude mauve kind of color, and I really, really love that. That is going to be super pretty with like brown liner. That's gonna be super cute. I'm like super excited to use this. But yes, so that concludes my package from December. Thank you, Ashanti, for that. It was super, super cute. And again, that was her first month in business. So now we're gonna move on to I believe this is the January package, maybe. So I'm moving on to the next packet. So this is the next packet for the following month, which I believe is January. So this is her second month in business. First of all, her packages are cute. Like, I've never seen this kind of packaging, you know, before with a company like this. Is super unique, super pretty, super prissy, super dope. Like, for my prissy girls, like high maintenance girls, like for us. This for us, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and open this one. And this is what it looks like inside. We can't see our goodies. So look at all these cute things. So again, we have a business card here that comes in the packages. This is EnVAIN by Ashanti, where you drink from the well of yourself and fall in love, girl. First name Poetic, last name Justice. Okay. And let me stop. Yes, her business card is in here. We specialize in beauty essentials such as facial oils, lip scrubs, body oils, and body butter, and more. And then we have contact information here. Again, I'm going to make sure I put all of her information in the description box because because you need it. You need this. Here is the next item. Ooh, come through, Shanti Shanti. Okay. So this is the Mon Amore body butter. Look at that. Shanti coming through with the packaging. This packaging smells so good. And Shanti gave us a wooden freaking spoon to scoop out the freaking butter. Who's doing that? Who is doing that? Nobody. Shanti, keep doing what you're doing, boo. Like, period. Like, you're a differenter. Next item we have came in another pretty bag, and this looks like her lip scrub. Ooh, smells delicious. That looks like her lip scrub, and this is what the packaging looks like. It's really cute, really portable, and really nice and small. Oh my god, I'm so excited. And it came with some spatulas. So I'm gonna actually keep this in this little cute little packaging so I don't lose my spatulas or anything. So the next item we have are some more lip products. I'm standing for the lip products, no cap. So we have another clear gloss. Like, oh my god, do you see the packaging? Do you see the progress from her first month in business to now? This is just the second month in business, and look at her packaging. Look at the upgrades. Like, wand, beautiful. Do you see the logo, the name? And then what? Like, this is beautiful. Like, look at this packaging. Again, cute, dainty, prissy. Like, this is perfect. Like, this is beautiful. Like, Shanti, you really doing your thing. Like, I stand packaging alone. Like, I haven't even used nothing yet, but packaging alone is 11 out of 10, period. And the next item we have is a roller ball. This might be lip gloss, but look at that. That's gorgeous. Like, Shanti is really spoiling us here. And then I did get a few stickers. I'm gonna put all these stickers on my freaking MacBook. Like, not even kidding. So now I'm gonna move on to the final box that I got, which is the Valentine's Day box, which was this month. And girl, do you see the upgrade? Do you see the third month in business though? I stand progress. We stand progress on this channel. Okay, and Miss Shanti is not letting her foot off the girls' necks, and honestly, I can't say anything about it. I can't do anything about it because baby is on a roll, okay? And this is what the package looks like on the inside. So first thing I see is some cute stickers. Again, cute stickers. Yes, I'm gonna put all these on my MacBook, like, not even kidding. And then we got this, oh, this pretty loofah. Oh my god, this is so cute. This is so cute. Thank you, Shanti. Like, I am in love with everything. I am truthfully in love with everything that I have gotten. And now we got some more body butter, baby. Come through. I just love her packaging. Like, oh, this one seems like it has like a little sugar in it. So I don't know if this is like an exfoliating, like a body exfoliating thing for like in the tub or something like that, but it definitely has some beads in it, like sugar or exfoliant beads or something like that. But I'm gonna make sure I have everything correct so you guys know what to purchase. But this is so freaking pretty. Like, oh my god, she's bodying bitches, and y'all really can't do nothing about it. She's bodying bitches, okay, period. Next we have this beautiful, I believe this is facial oil. Yes, this is the 24 karat soothing facial oil, y'all. I'm super excited to be using all of these products, like, no cap. Like, I'm ready. I am ready. And now we have another lip product. Beautiful lip. This looks like a more pale nude mauve kind of color as well. Super pretty. Like, oh God, it's the packaging. The packaging is everything. Like, again, all I can say is prissy, dainty. That's all I got. Like, I am mesmerized by her packaging. Ashanti, keep doing your thing. Okay, here is the next product that we have. I'm not sure what these are, but they look super, super pretty. So again, I'm going to find out and leave all the products in the description box below. This is super pretty though. Once I figure out how to use it, we're going to be in the game. We're going to be in the game. Okay, period. We're going to be in the game, okay? For some reason, I want to put them in a freezer and like lay them on my under eyes, but I just know that's not what that's for. And if it is what that's for, I'm psychic. Period. This concludes my unboxing of EnVain by Ashanti, a black-owned skincare line that you must have in your skincare routine. I am super excited to try all of these products. Again, I'm going to leave EnVain by Ashanti's all of their handles, all of their contact information, websites, social medias, and everything like that. So make sure you guys click the website, click the link, go ahead and go on Instagram and everything like that, and make sure you purchase these items, okay? Make sure you purchase these items, and I will have a video demonstrating how I use some of these items as well. But again, my name is 𝒑𝒠𝒐. I'm super happy that you guys came and watched this video. If you have made it this far, I love you, I fuck with you, and I hope you have already pushed subscribe to become another baddie in the room. Like, why wouldn't you? You watch this whole video not to subscribe and to not become a baddie in the room? That's weird. That's weird. So if you made it all the way to the end, girl, you better be a subscriber by the end, okay? Period. But I love you guys. Again, I will have more content coming. Make sure you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and leave a comment on the next content that you like to see from me. And I promise I will deliver. And I will see you baddies in the next video. Mwah.